half-face helmets. Sabi nila, pang-kamote lang yan, pang-tamad mag-full face. No judgment. Hindi porket half-face, wala nang kwenta. Helmet pa rin yan. And syempre, pag sinabi natin gusto natin na half-face, kailangan quality pa rin. This is Jose360, and for today's episode of Motoworld 360, ang topic natin, affordable but quality open face helmets. First of all, ano ba talaga? May open face, may half face, may jet helmet. Sa totoo lang, pare-pareho lang yan. Minsan depende kung saan bansa ka nang gagaling. Pero dito sa Pilipinas, mas uso sa atin, mas sikat sa atin, half face ang tawag. Hindi porket naka half face, kamote, walang kwenta, pabaya. Hindi ganun yun. Siyempre, pag half face ang gamit, presko. Diba? Ang dali gamitin. Kaya marami sa atin, aminin nyo na, may full face, meron ding half face. Lalong-lalo na kung ang ride natin, city rides, pang-errands, yung puputahan mo, medyo traffic, alam mong medyo may mapapatigil ka, medyo magiging mainit, lagit-lagi, pinipili natin dyan, half face. Kasi syempre, sa mga ganong pagkakataon, very, very important sa atin, comfort and convenience. Komportable gamitin, madali gamitin. SMK Laminar. Material, energy impact resistant, thermoplastic, liners, breathable, and hypoallergenic. Siyempre, meron na rin kasamang moisture management anti-static fabric, padded comfort chin strap, top air vents for maximum ventilation. You can get it for as low as $2,990. Rayo RO4SV. Ang shell naman is the classic ABS, dual visor, kaya naman very, very practical. Liner niya, antibacterial, removable, washable, quick dry, and very, very soft. For the Rayo RO4SV, you can get it for as low as $3,790. SMK, we have the GTJ Jet, still using EIRT or the Energy Impact Resistant Thermoplastic by SMK. Very practical, going for dual visor, eyeglass, easy. You can get this for as low as $3,490. If we're going for urban, perfect na perfect sa direksyon na yan, LS2 OF616 Airflow 2 with the special technology of the Air Ride Bluetooth. Sa shell, very light and safe dahil ang gamit ito is the HP TT shell from LS2. Modern design, extra sporty because meron na siyang built-in spoiler. Meron siyang 2 large air inlets dyan sa may harap for maximum airflow. As low as $3,990. The LS2, we have the OF620 Classy. Light and safe because of kinetic polymer alloy shell. Meron siyang elegant design for that retro vibe. Includes a large visor and drop-down dual visor. Very urban, very retro, very classy. You can get that for as low as $4,690. Climbing a bit higher would be the LS2 OF618 Verso 2. Lightweight, still using the very durable KPA shell. Malaki ang kanyang main visor for full visibility at the same time maximum protection. Meron ding built-in sun visor for the very practical approach to urban riding. That one is if you're willing to shell out a bit more at $6,990. No matter your budget or your style, there's an open face for you. And para ma-check out mo lahat yan, go visit any branch of Moto Market, Moto World, or Moto Style near you. 100% safe, 100% quality, because 100% Moto World. And if you want extra convenience with some extra perks, I suggest go and log in at www.motoworld.com.ph. This has been Jose360. This has been another episode of MotoWorld 360. Ride safe, ride smart, and see you on the next ride.